Hey, great peoples. Happy Thursday to everyone. I hope you guys are tuned in, tapped in, and turned on in y'all boom boom on this beautiful Thursday rising. Welcome, welcome, welcome to K Monique Sambo session. So I posed a question to you guys sometime last month, beginning of last month, asking y'all how would y'all be interested in me just, doing some Sambo sessions. And you guys responded with a yes. And life started life in, and I asked you guys to give me, a couple of weeks, and I'll be back. And I just want to say thank you guys for giving me a couple of weeks. I'm back. So let's get started. So this is our heart chakra bowl, heart chakra sound bowl that we're going to be using in our sessions. And I'm going to be mainly focusing on the heart chakra starting out for you guys. I've been using this bowl now for over a year, and I believe I'm ready to share with you guys. I'm ready to move on to the next chakra that I wanted to work on, and I will be doing that privately. And then when I'm ready to share that one with you guys, I'll share it with you guys. But to start out with sound bowl session, and you want to start working on the heart chakra first, because if the heart chakra is not open, you're not going to be able to receive anything else. I know some people, they'll start from the sacral or start with the crown. But I was always told, by Florence Spencer, that was the first person I seen doing sound bowl meditation on Facebook. And he's the young man that found me this heart chakra bowl as well. So he always said that you want to start with the heart chakra. Get the heart open first, and then you can start, from the head on down, or from, the bottom on up. All the based on you. But I started with my heart chakra, and now I am going to go to the sacral, So other than that, you guys, is you guys' hearts ready? Are your hearts open to give and receive love? The heart, it's open? Y'all ready? Okay, so just get somewhere and sit comfortably, relax, and we're gonna start by taking some deep breath. So just breathe in deeply through your nose, and it out through your mouth, okay? We're gonna do that 3 times, and then you're gonna hear me tap on the bowl 3 times, and then we're gonna get started. And as we get started, just relax. If you wanna close your eyes, close your eyes. You wanna sit up in Indian style, you can. You wanna lay down, you can. Whatever is comfortable with you. Sit that way, lay that way, and just breathe in the sound vibrations, okay? All right, let's get started. Deep breath in, you guys. And let us begin. just sit with it until you're ready. And I want you guys to take this affirmation with you guys throughout the day. May your heart be open to give and to receive love. And you guys continue to slide and glide with your hearts open to give and to receive love today. Okay, great people? All right, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace out.